Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Microsoft Edge display language. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Microsoft Edge here, guys, and as you can see immediately once I open that, it is displaying in a different language. Now you can always go ahead and right click on it and translate to English, right? So you can go ahead and you can do that, but there are times when it's still display in another language, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's say I go ahead and I search for Google Chrome downloads, right? You can see that it displays in a different language, and I can right click on that and I can translate to English. But if I go over to, for example, the Google Chrome website, you will see that it's still display in another language, and this is pretty annoying because you always have to right click and translate into another language. So how do we solve this problem? Let's go back. Let's open up a new tab. So once you're inside the Edge browser, guys, or let's say you close out and you're at any one of these tabs, let's go back. All you have to do once you're at Google, just simply right click and go to translate for the time being so that you can understand the browser. Then on the lower right hand side, you'll find settings. You click on that, and from here you want to click and search settings. Now once you're here, you will see that you have a bunch of options here. Click on other settings on the left hand side, and here you'll find the language and region. You click on that, and right here it will show you that display language that it's currently set to. So mine is currently set to Czech. All I have to do, click on this and search for whatever I want. So in my case, I need an English language, so I'm going to choose, for example, English right here. Click and confirm, and guess what? That's all there is to it. Now if I go ahead and close out of Edge and I go ahead and I open up the Microsoft Edge application again, you will see that it is now displaying in English. I can go ahead and I can search, for example, Google Chrome. Let's do the same thing, Google Chrome download, and if I search for that, it display in English. I can click on the website and it's going to display in English, and that's it. That's how to go ahead and change the display language in Microsoft Edge. Very easy and very simple.